Hello. I'm gonna show you how to play that Kanye song by the Chainsmokers really fast. So it's never have I wished on home, didn't need a telescope to see where I was going. Didn't have to mean. So this is an A sharp or a B flat, depending on how you want to see it. I'd say A sharp, just because the A is this and this is the A sharp, right? But if you want to call it a B flat, fine by me. This is so I play it like the staircase, but you can play like this, like the power chord, which sounds even better, I think. Actually, let's do that. Never have I wished on home, didn't need a telescope to see where I was going. So you can see that's a G minor. So that's the basic version, right? Or you can do the. And then it's like, I wanna be like Kanye. So it's basically like, now here I will call it an E flat, but if you want to stay relative to the sharps, this would be a D sharp, right? But with this finger here, so D sharp minor 7, I think. So I wanna be like Kanye, I'll be the king of me. And then you go G minor, always F. No matter what, I'll do it my way, like Kanye, like Kanye, yeah, yeah, yeah. No matter what, I'll do it my way, like Kanye, like Kanye. So you kind of get it? I think you do. If you don't, then you might want to rewatch this so you can kind of grab it. Those are pretty much all the chords that are in the song. So now you know how to play Kanye by the Chainsmokers. I've always kind of wanted to learn that, but never have I wished on home, didn't need a telescope to see where I was going. To see what I was made for. One day I'll lower the crown on my head like a god, yeah, like a god. One day I won't second guess what I want. I wanna be like Kanye, I'll be the king of me always. No matter what, I'll do it my way, like Kanye, like Kanye, yeah, yeah, yeah. No matter what, I'll do it my way.